hit on the subscription button.
Today we are beginning our free training, and quickly we start with test animation. That is the first one. And with the test animation simply means that moving test. Okay, you write small text or words and then you allow it to move. Okay, so that is test animation. And the app that is going to help us do that is this one. We call it Hypetext. Okay, so we quickly launch that one right now. Guys, the app has successfully been launched, and as you can see, it is the home page of the app. So we're having three main categories. That is animation, intro, and Instagram. Okay, and each of these main category has got its own sub categories. Okay, so as you can see, animation is having favorite or title, like that, social, so on and so forth. Yeah, and when you click on intro also has gotten its own sub intros. Okay, yeah, and Instagram also has gotten its own intros. So under intro, yeah, under intros has gotten popular, gaming, new, technology, and so on and so forth. Okay, so for me, I'll choose oil painting. Okay, yeah, and under oil painting also I've got different templates, and you can see this is not a free app. Okay, it has inbuilt payment. Okay, or where some of its features are premium, so you need to buy. But here we are not going to buy anything from here. We are going to use the free aspect. Okay, so as you can see, the first one, second one, the third one, the fourth one, yes, all are free. Okay, except these four. Okay, as you can see, these ones are not free, but this one you can choose any of them and then you can use it for your video. Now with the Hypetext helps you to make small intros, okay, to your videos. These are not the main videos that you're going to make. These are some adverts, okay, that you attach to your videos and makes it or enhance its looks. Okay, so let's say I want to choose the first one, the intro maker. Okay, so I'll tap on it, and when you tap on it, it will bring you this preview, okay, where it says use this template, okay, where you can choose that one. So I'll click on it and then quickly it will get uploaded. Now as you can see, it's in here. So if you can't beneath here, you can see edit, animation, music, background, filter, ratio. Okay, each of these menus has got its own use, okay, where we are going to explore that. So quickly we are going to click on edit. Okay, yeah, we click on edit. Now, so when you click on edit, this way to bring you, so you can quickly edit the test 1, okay, yeah, and the test 2 as well. And you can also explore this area where we have text, font, color, outline, shapes. Okay, you can use it to edit whatever thing that you have typing in here. Okay, where the fonts you can change it. Okay, the font size, the font look. Okay, you can also change. So I'm changing the intro maker and then make it ATG Coding Institute. Okay, yeah, as you can see over there, and then I'll click on this sign. Okay, yeah, correct sign. So I'll quickly come to test 2 where it has name. Okay, yeah, so I'll erase that one and then write my teaching kids how to code. Okay, yeah, so when I'm done I'll just click on this one, then I'm good to go. Let's explore these. Okay, the font color and the outline. So I'll click on the fonts, and these are the fonts that we have in here. Okay, you have to download it first. So this app, when you're using this app, you need internet connection, okay, where you can download all these things. So let's say I want to use this one. Okay, this one, so I'll click on it and then I'll have it download. Okay, see, it is downloading. Yeah, it's done. So that is for test 1. As you can see, we have test 1 and test 2. So test 1 is selected. So when I click on it, you see it has taken effect in here, just as you can see. I can select test 2, which is teaching kids how to code, and then also select this one. Yes, so that one also has taken effect over there. So I'll just come beneath it and then go straight to color, where I can change the color. Okay, so the first one I can decide to be creative in here. Okay, you have to be creative, very creative. So I can select it, and then as you can see, it's nice. That is the color. First one. You can customize it too. So whichever way that you want to do, you can customize it. Where you can also choose a different color. See, and it's taking effect. See, so be creative. Okay, don't just do anything anyhow. Okay, be creative, and then so that then be very nice. You can so with the outline, yeah, click on the outline. You can increase the width of it. Yeah, that's for test 1. You can also select test 2. Just as you're seeing, it's taking effect, but we just have to leave it this way. Okay, so that it becomes nice. You can also try with a shadow. Okay, but we just have to leave it this way. It's fine. So now we are done. Okay, apply all. So that is all. Apply to all tests. It has been applied to all tests. So now that we are done, we just click on this one, this arrow here. Okay, and you save it. Yeah, we are done with that side. Okay, now you can hold this thing. Okay, drag it. You can make it small, you can make it big. Okay, yeah, that is a small window that you can use to control the text in which you have typed. Okay, so or you can click at this place, okay, where the pen, whatever thing is, okay, and you can use to edit your text, or click on this one to close the whole window, or you can add different animation or paper, okay, or wallpaper in here. So that is that. We are done with that section where we. So if you don't want the animation that you have selected, you can click on this animation and then select a new animation, how you want your text to appear. Okay, so the next one is music. Okay, you can select your music from there. So in the music section, when you click on the music, this way to bring you. Okay, you can go here and explore them. We have music, inbuilt music are in here. Okay, and we have sound. We have my music. My music the music that are on your phone. Okay, so you can go there and then pick any of it. Or else, if you don't want those music, you can also select one of these music. Okay, where you have to download them. So the arrow in here means that you have to click on it and then to get downloaded. Or for me, I've downloaded some. Okay, so you can see. So all that I need to do is that I have to click on the plus sign and then I'll apply the music. That is all. So quickly, I'm going to click on the plus sign. Okay, yeah, and look at so that's the music. I've added the music to it and then it's synchronizing with it. So we are done with that. So you click on this arrow, signifying that you are done selecting the music. Now, if you click on background, okay, background also bring you to the side where you can change the background, but here we maintain the background. Also, we can click on this one, that is the duration. You see, the default duration is 6 seconds, so we maintain that one. This one is a short video, okay, we don't need 60 seconds, we don't need that, it's too much. It's a short video that we are making in here, okay, yeah, short animation test that we are making in here. So that is that. So we go back. If you want to darken it, yeah, you can press on this one to darken, but we don't want to darken, so we maintain this default settings. So we are done with that. We go back and then we can go to filter, okay, where you can change the appearance of the whole thing, okay. Yeah, if you want to change the appearance of the whole thing, you can change it and then it might look different, okay, but we want to maintain the default. Yeah, you can also move ahead and click on ratio. Okay, ratio is how you want your video to appear. You see, for all the social media handles, okay, each of these pages has its own ratio and how a video show. Okay, if you use 1:1, that one could be Facebook and the like. Yeah, if you use 16:9, that one is probably that is YouTube, right? So we have different ratios that you can use for your video. Okay, yeah, so you can select. So let's maintain the 16:9. Okay, for now. So that is that. Now, if you want to change the speed of the video, you can do that from here. Okay, so you click on the speed, and right now, as you can see, the default is 1.0x. So you can change it to 2, you can change it to 3 or 5, but we maintain the default. Okay, so that is that. Now we are done. We are done. So all that we need to do is that we have to click on this one so that whatever we have done in here will be saved, okay, to our phone. So we are done. So let's first of all preview what we have done. Yes, let's preview. So this is how the camera appears. Yeah, so we are done. We are done. So click on one and then it will get downloaded. Now when you click on this one, this what will appear. Okay, you say spot setting. So we have the video, we have green screen. Green screen is whereby you can use it a different background for what you have done, but we are not doing that. We are not doing GIF as well. What we are doing is a video. Okay, yeah, you can create a GIF from this side also, for which I'll be doing it in a different video to show you how to do that. So now we are done. You can we want to maintain this default settings. Okay, that is 720 pixels. That's what we want to maintain. We don't want to go to 480 pixels. It will not look nice. 1080 pixels also will be too much. Okay, we don't want that one as well. So we maintain this way, and then we quickly click on export, and then we have our then exported. So as you can see, it's been exported. We are waiting for it to get exported. It's done exporting, so you can see from here. Yeah, you can share it on the platforms. So we are done with that. So we are done with the first one. Also, some of these intros, okay, or these adverts also sometimes need a background. Okay, this is the first one that we chose. Didn't require for any background, but let's say with this one it will require for a background. Okay, so let's click on that and see how that one also goes. So I'll click on that and then quickly to bring me to this side. So we say photos, video, color, background. You can use any of this as your background. Okay, so I will use color. Okay, color as a background. So I'll click on the color just as you can see, and then you just have to be creative when you get to this side. So here I'll click on black. Okay, so I'll click on black, and just as we said the other day, the duration need to be 6 seconds, okay, not 15 seconds. So we have to bring it back to 6 seconds, and we are making videos for 16:9, okay, not 1:1. So we click that one as well. That is the ratio that I made mention of earlier on. So when you are done with the settings here, you click on create animation. So with this one here, so tap on it and then you have it created. So this one also you can edit it just as we did the first one, and then you can input your own number or something that's all here, and then you can get it exported this side. So we are done. We are done. We are done. That is that. Thank you.
Please hit on the subscription button.